Hello, my name is Chuck Thompson for World Emergency. We manufacture emergency disaster equipment for earthquakes, fires, floods, and civil unrest. We also develop emergency disaster centers, as well as other facilities such as homes and schools, hospital emergency medical units, food catering units, and government facilities. We would like to set up an entire industry in your area of the world. We believe that we can bring in our emergency disaster products, and all of our products are basic necessities of life: food, clothes, shelter, and medical first aid. We believe we can set up our industry there in your part of the world and produce jobs and homes and schools and hospitals that people need in various areas throughout the country. World Emergency develops these emergency disaster facilities out of solid steel structures. These steel structures are portable. They have a basic foundation on them where it allows you to be able to ship them, giving you the flexibility to be able to transport them on a truck or a train car or a shipping vessel. They're very, very strong. They can suffer about an 8.5 earthquake without any real structural damage. Or if there's a hurricane or a typhoon in your area, they will also suffer about 1 million pounds of pressure, again, without any real structural damage. This, we believe, is the core of living wherever you are. Everyone wants a home to live in, and of course, which is their shelter. And of course, they need food to live and clothes to wear. And if they get sick, they need medical facilities to be able to go to. We would like to provide all of these industries within your part of the world. Now, we believe we can do just that. Set up a brand new industry that is not formed in any parts of the world, that will be a basic frontier in your country, where we will develop all of these types of facilities for the economic community of the whole world to be able to come to and visit and see how these structures are built, because we can have customers throughout the world that need those types of facilities being built within your country. Basically, it'll be a two-part manufacturing process. Some of the items will come throughout the United States and will be assembled in your part of the area, where it is a joint venture from country to country. But we have clients in the rest of the world, internationally, that need these products right now. And we believe as this grows, as people understand that they need to be mobile, and not just their personal bodies, but of course they need to be mobile with their home and their office and their schools, because of various things that, upheavals that happen, natural disasters and man-made disasters that cause us to be moved to place. But we want all of our industry, we want it to be flexible as we are flexible in moving those things. And so this is a brand new area and a brand new industry that we would like to bring to your country and set up. Now, we would basically set up a showroom area. If we were in a part of your land where we had an economic free zone, where we would set up our showroom areas. We would set up a home and an office and a hospital and a school unit. These units they are built basically in an 8x40 structure, steel structure. Now, inside this steel structure, of course, we place all the windows and the doors, and we place all of the furnishings inside. And if we have a school, for instance, when we would place, say, 12 laptop computers on one side and 12 on the other, and then we would put a satellite unit on there so they can have instant communication. It's called our School Learning Center. And of course, they'll have internet access worldwide. And teachers and students can use them 24 hours a day. The facilities themselves will run off the ESP modular system. Now, the ESP modular system is energy solar power. This power system will give your facility the ability to be run off solar power energy only. Now, of course, it fluctuates. You can use both, but you really don't need to. You don't need to hook these systems up with any other local power source. 24 hours a day, it will harness enough power to run all of your outlets, your electrical outlets, whether it's 110 or 220, as well as all of your appliances and equipment and computer supplies and everything else that you would need to run any other electrical application 24 hours a day without ever having an electrical bill. This is the major benefit of these rural emergency facilities that we put together. Now, basically, we can put together a 320 square foot unit, which is one unit, or we can add them together to make a huge big unit, up to 100,000 square feet if you need to. These units, again, are very, very flexible. If there's a fire or a flood or an earthquake, they can simply be moved out of that area, and when that trouble or trauma is over, they can simply be moved back to that very same foundation with everything intact. Because with the school units and the houses that we put together, all of the furniture is bolted to the floor. If we have things on tables, the tables are bolted to the floor, and say a computer is bolted to the desk. So they are just instantly picked up by a tractor unit, and it's slid on that tractor unit and moved to another location, and then we just simply slide it off and move it to another one. But everything is intact inside, so you never need to pack. And when there's an emergency, of course, you don't have time to do all these things. And we believe this is very innovative, not just for your part of the world, but all industries worldwide need to be flexible, need to be mobile, whether, again, it's their hospital, whether it's their office, or whether it's their home, or whether it's their school, or any type of facility that they are working on or operating out of, we can build. Even stores and community centers, as well as malls, all out of our solid steel structures. Again, which are very, very portable and can be moved and transported anywhere in the world. Basically, you can have an American home, or any type of home from Italy, or Middle East, any type of home that you would desire that we would build. We would simply put the facade around to make it look like what home you desire. And basically, we will put all of the different furnishings that you require and make it according to your specifications. Now, we would like, again, to put together a showroom of these facilities in an area in your part of the world where we can showcase it. And then we would like to systematically hire salespeople and manufacturers, as well as builders, and throughout the gamut of industries that we would need to market our facilities worldwide straight from your country. And again, we believe that we can hire thousands upon thousands on a yearly basis out of your area alone, simply to manufacture and market this product, which we already have customers from around the world who very badly need them. We appreciate very much you giving us a call, and we can discuss this project and presentation with you further at 800-947-7778. Of course, you can email us at ruralemergency@mail.com. And you can view a lot of our different products and services that we have on our website, ruralemergency.com. Again, we're looking very much forward to setting up this brand new industry in your area, providing your citizens with the jobs that they need to help and support their families, as well as all the products and services that we bring with those things. Now, we would like to also, in the interim, set up other facilities for other companies, whether they're from America or any other place around the world, to be able to have their company in your location area. Meaning, we will build an office for them, a storeroom for them, or storefront for them, out of our facilities, so they can also operate within your country, and therefore expanding the industry. And again, supplying a lot of these goods and services around the world, but also building homes and schools and hospital and emergency medical units, as well as all types of offices, for whether it's for government facilities or for the private sector, for those who are living within your part of the world. So we appreciate you getting in touch with us so we can make this happen as soon as possible. Thanks again.